Cooking Show. Today I'll be teaching you how to make yogurt. So here we have whole milk as usual, which is always needed to make homemade yogurt. A mason jar, 3 tablespoons of the yogurt you bought, or my mom made a couple of days ago in that case. And we have 3 cups of whole milk. I'm gonna check the temperature right now with my thermometer. It's approximately 110 and through 113 degrees, which is the temperature it should be at. So the 200 years ago, if you don't have a thermometer, you'd use a pinky. So using your pinky, you would put it in like this. And if you keep it in for 7 seconds, if you can keep it in for 7 seconds, the temperature is correct. If not, let it wait and cool down for a little bit. So, I'm back again. We have waited it for it to cool down to 112 degrees. We will now begin the second part of making yogurt. Okay, so now we're gonna do, and I forgot. Okay, so now we're gonna mix the milk with the pre-made yogurt my mom made a couple days ago. So now we're gonna take 1 or 2 spoons of milk and put it into the yogurt. Mix it a little bit. And once you're done, pour it into milk. Just like straight up pour it. I'm gonna try and get every single little bit I can. Like this. And once you do that, mix it all together. So you just do it for maybe 5 or 10 seconds. So now we're gonna put it in the mason jar you previously took out, like this. Remember, this is 3 cups. And you let it sit for about 6 hours if it's below 100 degrees, or just room temperature. If it's above 100 degrees, leave it outside for 4 hours. That seems good. Alright, guys, remember, so to release the steam here, when it sits overnight, put a coffee filter over it, and remove the middle part. And just do it lightly, okay? Very lightly. And then let it sit for 6 hours, in my case, overnight. Okay, here comes the fun part. Now, you get to cover your yogurt with whatever you want. Your blanket, your favorite blanket for your first ever yogurt. So, I'm gonna make this little guy comfortable for this night, for a 6-hour wait, until he gets devoured by my mouth in the morning. All right, here we go. Let it sit very nicely. Make sure it's warm. Back to Tommy's Cooking Show. And we're back again with our nice yogurt. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you have to leave it in for 6 hours in the fridge, at least 6 hours, before it becomes ready, nice and thick. So now we're gonna make your own granola yogurt from your own yogurt from scratch, your own granola from scratch. Well, you can use honey, your own honey if you have one, or just buy it from the store, but I'm gonna use our homemade strawberry jam. And our mint from our garden. Alright, now we're gonna make the granola yogurt. Take a couple spoons of your homemade yogurt. We're done. Now we're gonna take some of our granola, some of our strawberry jam, put a little on top. Look at this, amazing. For the final touches, we're gonna sprinkle it with some of the mint we picked from our garden. There we go. Just add a little more. Now we're done. I'm gonna give it the taste test. Delicious. Hey, Mommy, do you want to taste it?
Of course, I will never say no. Let's try. So good. Nice job.
Okay. Oh, and here are some things you can make out of yogurt. Here you got some popsicles that I made a couple days ago. Sister here, we made some popsicles out of these yogurt and now we're going to taste them. Delicious. And that's the end of Tommy's cooking show. Stay tuned.